Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 13th of July 2012. The losing streak on US markets continued overnight, with the latest concerns centering on a slowing global economy. Investors on both sides of the Atlantic were in risk-off mode amid trepidation ahead of today's all-important Chinese second quarter GDP release. Following the recent spate of weak Chinese economic data, there is heightened fear today's data will reveal a sharper than expected fall in the country's economic growth. It wasn't all bad news overnight, however, with the Dow rebounding from a 112-point drop on speculation the recent sell-off has been overdone. Yesterday's sluggish domestic jobs release weighed heavily on the Aussie dollar, which slumped more than 1% against the greenback. The euro touched its lowest level against the US dollar in over 2 years amid a rise in Italian and Spanish borrowing costs, and the yen firmed after the Bank of Japan refrained from expanding its quantitative easing program. Despite the market's fears over today's Chinese GDP, there were no significant moves in commodities. Oil rose amid reports the US government was looking to tighten sanctions against Iran, whilst gold remained lower on bets the Fed is in no rush to ease monetary policy. The SPI was more or less range-bound overnight. The index bounced off support around 40.20, but was unable to breach a cluster of resistance through 40.50. It is likely to be a subdued start for the Aussie market this morning. SPI futures are pointing to a 5-point gain on the open.